After the plane, then the go.
So, hear the word go.
After go.
Okay, food kaya food. Lamb steak
Oh my
or
God, no, no,
pig
no.
steak?
Wait, no.
Things to buy. Watch or bags?
Wait.
Watch or bags? 1, 2, 3, go!
Watch!
Sorry. Okay. Past time.
Wait, after go
Basta narinig yung go.
Yung mga nanalo, may
Past time. Outing or shopping?
Wala kang go. Disqualified.
Okay. City to visit. Australia, Canada. 1, 2, 3,